Hey guys, VTech Blueberry Hill, April 17th. So this is a bit of maintenance stuff. We got 4 loads of road fill to finish up some of the side ramp and the back part of the shop so I could put a trailer on it. We ended up getting 4 loads, 2 large rocks, 2 small. The large makes kind of a road base, and the small stuff is actually makes it nice and smooth. So anyway, so here you see me doing Bobcat work. I was quick enough to actually spread the stuff while the truck driver dropped off each load, so I was able to spread it pretty quick. And then the smaller stuff he brought over started raining a little bit at the same time that we got 2 more containers dropped off. So here you see me just doing back and forth work with the Bobcat. Bobcat does really good work with I think it's designed to do this kind of stuff. The arms go down and you just play with the bucket and make it all nice and smooth. So pretty straightforward. Kind of enjoyed doing this kind of stuff. Fairly easy. You'll see me flip over to the back part of the shop in a second here. I'm going to knock down a couple of trees to make it a little more accessible. So I can drive a trailer straight out of the shop and not worry about hitting the trees. We're going to leave the trees, but I was standing there and decided, yeah, trees are coming down. So I switched over to, you'll see me do it. So switched over to the stump puller and yanked the trees out. But anyway, enjoy the Bobcat work. Hey, fun stuff. Oh, here you see me going to the back. Yay! So yeah, here you saw me standing there for about a second, and I figured I'd better get the stump puller and yank these 2 trees out. We were gonna leave them, but you can see the trailer sitting right there. It's much easier just to back it out. In fact, at the end of the day, I actually backed it out once I leveled this all out. Backed it out to that area, and we have more access under the awning. So there. So here you see me doing more Bobcat work, just spreading the large base and then the small base later on. And then I'm going to switch, the video is going to switch over to seeing the delivery of the one of the containers. I didn't videotape one, but I did videotape the other. I thought I did both, but apparently I have to hit the on button to videotape, so there you go. So here's a quick shot of the dump truck delivering the small road fill, and then in a few seconds you'll see the container being dropped off. The Bobcat was giving me a few little headaches here today. It electronically shut off a couple times, and I think it's because of a loose battery. But anyway, here you see the container being driven through the trees there. And then they had fun time trying to get this orientated because it was slightly wet. It just stopped drizzling. So even though these trucks are all 4-wheel drive, these things are 8,000 pounds empty. So they have fun going back and forth and putting it in the right spot. Did pretty good. Some redos, and they finally got it stuffed in the right place. We're getting 2 more next week, so they'll go on the left side of those 2 blue ones you see right there. And then we're done for containers, and we start building the foundation for the house, which is right in front of us. Hopefully that'll go real nice, and video coming, of course, for that. So just as the guys were dropping off the last container, the truck driver showed up with the last load of the small road fill, and so they had to play a little bit. But anyway, we got it all done. They did it all. Everybody did pretty good today. It was Friday the 17th, so there you go. Thanks for watching.